After you share the purpose for the call, you advance to the next step, which is to use the sales takeaway. We talk about the sales takeaway in more detail in an upcoming training module in this series, but just to introduce it real quick, the sales takeaway is basically taking away what it is that you sell. Most salespeople try to always get the prospect to move forward and be more interested. The sales takeaway is the opposite of that by expressing doubt in the fit or justification for moving forward. And this can be really powerful because it's the opposite of what almost 100% of salespeople do 100% of the time. And so when we use this at the beginning of a cold call, we're actually going to use what we call a soft sales takeaway. So it's just a soft, slight version of a sales takeaway where we express a little bit of doubt at the beginning of a cold call by saying something like, I don't know if you need what we provide. I don't know if you're a good fit. I don't know if we can help you in the same way. I don't know if you're interested in improving those areas. I don't know if you're concerned about those areas. I don't know if you're the right person to speak with. I don't know if it makes sense for us to talk or not. So of course you just say one of those right after you share the purpose for the call, and this can be extremely powerful and help you to decrease the prospect's guardedness and establish your calls because it creates what we refer to as a push-pull effect. The push is basically you sharing your purpose for the call. For example, might be your value proposition. Great, the reason for my call is we help sales trainers to teach their reps what to say and ask, but I don't know if we can help you in the same way or not, and that's the sales takeaway, which is a pull. And like I said, this can be a really powerful thing that can decrease the prospect's guardedness by making them feel like that you're not trying to push something on them. It can also create a little bit of curiosity because you're doing a slight soft takeaway, and as you're taking it away, they might feel like, well, maybe that's something I need, or don't take it away so fast, or what exactly are you talking about? And after you use the soft sales takeaway, then you progress to the central piece of the cold call process, which is just to ask a few questions.